Good communication skills are vital to a child's life chances. It is reported that around 50% of disadvantaged children start school with language delay. This delay can have a devastating negative impact on children's social, emotional, and mental health. The independent review Berkow 10 Years On in fact reports that 81% of children with emotional and behaviour disorders have unidentified language difficulties. Added to this, children with poor vocabulary skills are twice as likely to be unemployed when they reach adulthood, and 60% of young offenders have low language skills. The national statistics from the DFE in October 2018 reported around 71% of children leaving the early years foundation stage with a good level of development as defined by the DFE. Of this, around 20% of children leave the early years foundation stage with below expected age-related language development. In the city of Sheffield, this equates to around 20% of 6,500 children. A quick crude calculation shows us that in just one city this equates to around 1,300 children at a risk of lagging behind their peers for the duration of their educational journey. As a professional working with early years, these messages will resonate, and you'll be working with children who are not where they should be in terms of their communication skills, so you know the importance of talk. Talk is the foundation of learning and development, in fact, of success in life. The statutory framework for the early years foundation stage says, the development of children's spoken language underpins all 7 areas of learning and development. The number and quality of the conversations they have with adults and peers throughout the day in a language-rich environment is crucial. You will also know that if we don't provide opportunities for children to use and grow their communication skills from the very earliest age, there will be gaps in their learning in the early years. And I'm sure you are aware that these gaps will remain with them right through Key Stage 1, Key Stage 2, through their secondary education and through the rest of their lives. Did you know that 70% of pupils permanently excluded from school have difficulties in basic literacy skills? Or that 25% of young offenders have reading skills below those of the average 7-year-old? And that 60% of the prison population is said to have difficulties in basic literacy skills. Throughout the pandemic, it is highly likely that the baseline for children's expected levels of development relating to communication skills will have diminished, and more children will struggle to communicate in nursery and in the classroom. We do not yet have these figures, but we can anticipate that children will require additional support. There is a plethora of schemes and strategies available to us as interventions, but isn't it time we stopped looking for ways to fill the gaps and began to make sure that there are no gaps in the first place? Rainbow Talk is an accessible approach that can be built into the existing structure of the day both simply and effectively. Schools that have implemented Rainbow Talk in this way can demonstrate high levels of success. In 2020, around 700 education and social care professionals in Sheffield joined us for training and gained an introduction to Rainbow Talk. If you're from Sheffield, a member of your staff may well have been one of them. If they were, then you will know that Rainbow Talk boosts children's language skills and sets them up from their earliest years to be thoughtful, articulate, and confident talkers. The success of Rainbow Talk encouraged us to review its usefulness and consider what else could develop. We have had an exciting time taking all the resources for Rainbow Talk and creating many new ones, and putting them into a package for schools called Rainbow Talk, Tools for Talk. It is a package that provides everything you need. But I don't simply want to tell you how easily Rainbow Talk integrates into all your current interventions and good practice, or how you get a full day's training plus a follow-up staff meeting with Anne Dawson, the creator of Rainbow Talk, who has more than 20 years experience of teaching EAL children and leading foundation stage. or how you can train in Rainbow Talk one day and the next day be using it effectively in your classroom. It's not enough to tell you that Rainbow Talk Tools for Talk contains a huge bundle of ready-made resources and ideas that not only engage your children in talk, but inspire and equip them to be better readers and writers too. All of this comes in a folder and on a USB stick for your convenience. You get immediate access to all of this, so saving you time and energy. Plus, you will automatically receive all the new resources that we develop at no extra cost, ever. And it's not just about how, for a full 5 weeks from the date of your training, you get personal email and telephone support from Ann Dawson. Yes, you get all that. But you know, the really important thing, the thing that really matters is that in your hands, Rainbow Talk has the potential to change the lives of children. Rainbow Talk Tools for Talk offers you a philosophy that builds on your passion for the power of quality talk and communication, and gives you a clear and straightforward understanding of how to promote talk with young children. Rainbow Talk Tools for Talk gives you the resources and ideas that you need to engage the children, develop their thinking skills, and broaden and deepen their vocabulary. Rainbow Talk Tools for Talk gives you full and detailed guidance notes for every resource. This means that you can make informed decisions about how to use them with the children. You also get a complete and easy set of planning formats. And maybe, best of all, Rainbow Talk Tools for Talk will reignite your passion as you see your children growing and thrilling to the possibilities of talk. Rainbow Talk Tools for Talk is available to your school from May the 27th for a one-time payment of just $2,899. If you purchase by June 27th, 2021, you will also qualify for a 10% early sign-up discount. If you want to find out more about Rainbow Talk Tools for Talk, email Anne or give her a call. You can also visit the Rainbow Talk website.